A person sitting in an office doing his work. His friend/colleague comes in. Hello. Hi. You look really tensed. What's the matter? I have to curate a single email and send that to clients who have similar requirements. It's really confusing to compose and forward so many emails. Why don't you use bulk compose? It'll take away all your worries. What exactly is bulk compose? Can you tell me about it? Yes, sure. Bulk compose is mainly a single dynamic email that is sent to clients/recipients to attend several prospects at the same time. Though personalized, they cater to individual needs of the recipients. That's great. That's exactly what I need. How do I do that? Simply download the MSB app. It will solve all your worries. It's excellent. Great. Can you please show how to do bulk compose using the app? Sure. Open the MSB app. Go to the Compose tab and select Multiple. Go to the document template and select your desired document. Select Next and voila! The template will be ready before you. Well, that's easy. What do I do after that? Select Export Layout and you'll find your entire file uploaded on an Excel sheet. You can select multiple files and get them transferred to the sheet. How to get them transferred? Download the file from the app. Once downloaded, they will be automatically available on the Excel sheet. Select each tab on the sheet. Click on the red button on the top left corner of your sheet. Select your file. Go back to the MSB app. Select your file. Copy it back to the sheet. Open Chrome and check your downloaded file. That's really easy. Yes. Also, you can check your files and make changes in them if you want. It will all be on the dashboard of the MSB app. And how do I then upload it? Go to the Start button. Sign in with your password. Download it in PDF format. It will be on the Completed tab of the app. Save it as your desired file. Thank you for the help.